Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dee. This video is a quick hair wrap tutorial for beginners. You know, the days when you're having a bad hair day, but you still need to go out, run some errand, go to a doctor's appointment. I went ahead and I took mine down, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back on together. Before I forget, the hair wrap is from Amazon. I will try to link it below. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. So here I'm turning around so you can see what I'm doing in the back. I'm holding my hair down along with the wrap. I'll take one end and just continue wrapping around until the end. Okay, when we're done wrapping it around, we're gonna take that piece, tuck it underneath, and grab the other end and do the same process. Wrap it all around and then take that last piece, tuck it underneath, and there you go. You're all done. Once again, the hair wrap is from Amazon. I will try to link it below. If it is linked, it would be an affiliate link, so that means Amazon will be paying me a couple of coins for linking it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great rest of your day.